The refrigerator water dispenser can be slow due to several reasons, and fixing the issue is relatively straightforward. A clogged water filter is a common cause, and replacing it immediately is the solution. It's also a good idea to make it a habit to replace the filter every 6 months. Additionally, a damaged or twisted water line can be the culprit, in which case, untwisting or replacing it is necessary. Low water pressure, with a pressure of less than 20 psi, can also be the reason for the slow dispenser, and ensuring the pressure is at the correct level can resolve the issue. Sometimes, air pockets in the water line can cause the water to sputter when dispensing, and running the water continuously can help remove these air pockets. In some cases, the water tube in the door may be frozen, and the solution is to replace it and maintain the freezer at the right temperature to prevent further freezing. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further assistance. By following these simple steps, the slow refrigerator water dispenser can be fixed, and the issue can be resolved.